Hello YouTube, and this is the Unboxer 15 with another unboxing. So today I just bought a new Zippo. Let's look at it. It came with an old box. There you go. It's full polished chrome. Let's take it out. As you may be able to see, let's see if my coworker Nathan can zoom that in so it's focused. Is it focused?
Yeah, mostly.
So as you can see, the MSRP was $24.95. As of the tax in Canada, it was $27.13, but whatever. So the first thing, you gotta take off the sticker from the back. Remember, from the bottom. Off. Now, some people don't know this, but to take this residue off, I'm going to need some Zippo lighter fluid and a paper towel. So welcome back. We got our Zippo fluid, premium lighter fluid, and our toilet paper. So what you got to take, open it up, just pour some on, and rub it on there. It will take a while. Okay, so welcome back. Just a little video clip skip right there. So I got the back off. Maybe Nathan can focus it.
Yeah, well.
So we got the back off. Now just take the front sticker off. The MSRP sticker. There we go, it's off now. Put it in with these. As you may know, I always take my stickers off and put them in there. I'm going to have a book for them. So there you go. Open it up. It's got brand new wick. Sparks really nice. Let's take it out. The insert was made in sometime in 2008. I find that out and I'll put it in the description. It's perfectly fine. Inserts, perfect. Never been used. And for filling up the lighter, I will show you guys in a different video. I think I have another video. But there you go. The bottom was made of in 2008. Has the new Zippo stamp. So there you go. Watch my next video. It will be on how to fill your Zippo lighter. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thanks for watching on my new full chrome finish Zippo. Thanks for watching. Bye.